lie, this bitch packed though. Let's see what they got. This bitch is busting. No lie, bro. Hey, look at this shit. Y'all ain't never seen this shit like that. I ain't never seen this shit. I don't know what the fuck. They sent out a memo or something? Cause it ain't never been like this. Start this video off on the wall. Ain't no extra % off today though. They finessing. But LeBron's 109. Flat out. Duck boot. I'm surprised they got these in here. Up tempos. 90. I need to get these. Damn. They got these Kobe's on deck. They got the Black History Equality. They got the Nike Shock Gravity, bro. They expensive though. They want 150. Hey, twin, let's go look down these aisles. Show y'all the heat they got. They got the Paul George's 90. It's a little expensive though. But he's decent right here. Hooping shoes, Nike Zoom slide, black and white colorway. They got the Kyrie's, KD's. You feel me? More KD's.
Let me hold it then. They call him again.
They got a lot of shit on sale. More Kobe's. Kyrie's, LeBron's, Jordan, Air Maxes. I want these so bad. Not for 100 though, you feel me? I got the new 13s on. Fairly new. They got the wheat joints. It's a better price. Slight heat. Foams on deck. Low heat. Jordan premiums. Nigga. I spy. Hey. You already know, but I can't get. You know I got a cop. Glad I came when I came. Got the last one of my size. Let's do the review real quick. Look at the box, know what I'm saying? Hey. Pause it, read it, you feel me? Cause I ain't finna read it for you. Hey, on deck. Let's get to the shoes. Well, y'all probably seen these already, but not for $250 though. And I'm finna get more of a discount on these boys. These boys can get down to like around 200. Might as well show y'all both shoes at one time. DMP pack, you feel me? I like them. I ain't gonna lie, it's a good deal. $125 each shoe. Ain't bad. The fact that I wasn't gonna come in this bitch today, I would have missed out on this deal. I would have been pressed, so pressed. We still getting bread toast tomorrow, so be on the lookout. Y'all just did the math. I'm paying like $150 for these bitches. Show y'all the seat real quick. Y'all see I saved almost $100 today, you feel me? The total, $163. Ain't bad. I made it back to the crib, as y'all can see. Black and gold hidden with that white and gold. But I can't believe, bro, I just caught these boys for $160. It's $80 a shoe. Like, what? $80 a shoe, bro? That's a super steal. I'm loving these gold hits, bro. Dumb. I feel like I probably got like 2 days to get these shoes. I ain't gonna lie. Or whatever y'all seen up in there, like before they probably be gone. You know, everybody got their taxes, like I said, up in that piece. You feel me? So. Also, if you didn't get the 30% off, I wouldn't go up there. Cause you're gonna be pressed. Everybody getting shit for low, like way cheap. You feel me? And you paying regular price for this. Nah. So everybody getting this stuff. The friends and family 30% off on their like emails, on their app and stuff like that. I ain't getting no 30% off though. You know, I got a card from my homie that work at Nike. You feel me? I'm kind of pressed that I ain't getting no email. So what's going on, Nike? I don't know. Maybe they rolling it out slow. Maybe they want everybody to like be at Nike at one time. Maybe, or I don't know what's going on. I just want my 30% off. You feel me? Friends and family discount. But I ain't tripping. We still had a 30% off. You feel me? We got the DMP pack for the low, know what I'm saying? And that's concludes this video, you feel me? If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you feel me? Hit that notification bell. Keep updated, know what I'm saying? With all the videos, more videos coming soon, like I said. We getting bread toast Tomorrow, nah, I mean, yeah. Also, don't forget to follow all social media. Links will be in the description below, you feel me? And you know what I say? Don't live up to the hype. Buy what you like. Now I'm out, though.